Welcome to Abbotts Maintenance for all your central heating and boiler needs. From boiler fault finding to basic servicing, we work with all the top manufacturers: Bosch, Valiant, Vocera, Bushey, Potterton, Ideal and Glowworm. No more forgetting to get your boiler serviced. We will contact you 1 month before it's due and book you in for a regular service. This is what could happen if you don't service your boiler. Thank you for choosing Abbotts Maintenance. Please call 0208 387 0155 for your local engineer or visit our website